Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So, good Thursday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. Here with Winston Norman, our editor in chief. Wow, Winston! I mean, this week is going quick. Already Thursday.
Already Thursday, yeah.
Amazing.
Super fast.
Yeah, one more day and then weekend. So got a lot happening. The GRI CEE conference is this week in Warsaw, and I think today is the last day. Or finalizing today. It looked like they had 60, 70, 80 people there. So very nice. A lot of directors from Central Eastern Europe, Southeastern Europe, operating in the regions, a lot from Western Europe, a couple from America. So good to see we're the international media partner and supporter for GRI here in CEE region. So if you're at the event, you're going to come at the event. It'll be good to see you later today. We'll be back, of course, at lunch and for the last couple of panels. So it'd be nice to meet up and also looking forward to our next event, which is the Europa Property Baltic Real Estate Awards. We'll talk a little bit more about that. Winston, let's start. Let's shoot off to you for the headlines for today for the news.
Thanks, Craig. We've got some quite big news coming out from the Polish regional markets, where BNY Mellon has leased a substantial lease in Wrocław. So some good news for regional markets in Poland. Moving to Romania, and 40 Management has agreed to open a Crest Collection brand hotel in Bucharest. And finally, for today, we have some news from that Romanian investors are going up the ladder and becoming very, very strong in Romanian region part of the investment.
Just domestic investors.
Domestic investors, yeah.
Okay, great. Well, we're working on our Europa Property Baltic Real Estate Awards. We announced the short list yesterday. If you missed it, have a look at our Coffee with Craig show yesterday. We covered the shortlisted companies. There's still a few categories open for nomination. So if your name's not on it, your company's not on it, and you're doing business or you got projects in Scandinavia, the Baltics, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Northern Poland, now's the time to put in your nominations, or if you're already in, to sign up for the event. A lot of interesting people. If you want to come up and do business in that region, or find companies from Scandinavia and the Baltics that are looking to come into CE region or Poland, this is the event for you to go to. That's May 25th at the Radisson Blue in Sopot. Sopot, Poland, which is the Tri-City area right on the Baltic coast. So we hope to see you all there. A lot of new sponsors. We've got Denton's and the law firm. We've got Multi Development. And also, we've got Panettone up there as well as several other ones, which we'll talk about over the next couple of days. So the rooms in the hotel are filling up fast. So even if you don't want to book your tickets quite yet, book your hotel room, because they are filling up quick. And if you do it through our website, you get 15% discount. So that's always nice to save a bit of money. So we'll take a little break. We'll come right back, a little break, and show you a little bit about our Baltic Real Estate Awards. And we'll be right back with Winston Norman and the news. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Europa Property Baltic Real Estate Awards, May 25th, held in the beautiful beachside city of Sopot, which is part of the Tri-City area on the Polish Baltic coast at the Radisson Blue Hotel. Countries covered in the awards include the Baltics, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Scandinavia and the Nordics, Denmark, Finland, Sweden, Norway, as well as Germany, and of course Poland. Book your tickets, sponsorships, and place your nominations now on our website, and feel free to email me for more details. So welcome back, and Winston, the headline sounded very exciting, so tell us about the news and some more detail.
Yeah, thanks, Craig. So BNY Mellon, which is an international financing banking company, they've leased all the space in Skanska's second phase of Centrum Popołudnie, which is located in Wrocław. So it's a substantial lease, and the employees will occupy the whole building, which is around 20,000 square meters.
Okay.
And this is the largest lease transaction in Wrocław since 2020. And they're scheduled to move in April 2024. And according to Skanska, they say it's very important, especially now when in the current preferred work model, the offices change their role and have to offer employees exceptional user experience, including a variety of amenities. And this building, obviously being one of Skanska's, is obviously having the latest ESG equipped technologies and designs, I would imagine. So
Yeah, always cutting edge scans.
and
Good.
with such a good client as well.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
very
Probably
good.
demanding client as well.
Very
With
demanding
20,000
client,
square
yeah. And
feet, so
this is so some good news there for the office market in Wrocław and Poland in
absolutely.
general. And moving to Romania, and 40 Management has concluded an agreement for a new hotel development to be operated by the Ascot Group. This is a partnership that will bring to Romania for the first time the Crest Collection.
Okay.
And the construction is expected to begin in the autumn, and the estimated opening is in the first quarter of 2026. And the value of this project is estimated at 22 million euros. And according to the CEO of Marcel Lint, he's the CEO of the Ascot Limited Group, we have chosen to capitalize on the potential of the luxury hotel market in Bucharest, and we are delighted to be set on this new project together with 40 Management. One of the most innovative companies in Romania in terms of sustainable mixed-use real estate developments. And finally, for today, talking about investors in Romania, and Cushman & Wakefield have announced that domestic Romanian investors are the largest contributors to income-producing assets in Romania. Over the last 5 years, they've invested over 1.1 billion euros, and the investors in Romania these days are followed by, after domestic investors, we've got South African investors with 600 million euros, Austrian investors, which have 14% of the share. And then following those is investors from Israel and finally Hungary. And the most active Romanian investor, which is the Dediman Group, Pavel Holdings, they've really gone up the ladder lately and climbed up second position in the rankings. And they've acquired a lot of offices, and which was CEMO's portfolio. They acquired.
Yeah, they won an award
They
for
won an award.
Deal of the Year.
That's
Investor of
right.
the
So
Year.
they're very active, and they've closed acquisitions around 850 million euros. So
Wow.
they've contributed a large sum to that 1.1 billion. And according to Christy Moga, he's the head of capital markets in Cushman & Wakefield Equinox in Romania. As far as the profile of local investors is concerned, they have a better understanding of consumer space and occupancy trends, as well as being more confident about the positive evolution of the economy in the medium and long term. Moreover, they have good grasp of the cyclical nature of the real estate market in Romania. So Romanians know what they're doing.
It seems like that. Two of the stories on Romanian Forte Management, of course, the great architects and working on this this hotel, but also doing the Lagoon project.
Yeah, they're doing the Lagoons project.
Crystal Lagoons, I think it's called. Very interesting as well. I want to live there. Look very nice.
Nice.
And then
go on holiday there, mate.
yeah, and Pavo, yeah, interesting on the invested side how the local investors have kind of taken hold. You don't see that in Poland really yet, but
No.
Romania, Hungary, Czech, yeah, a lot of local.
They
lot of
are the
local
strongest
investment,
investors in
yeah,
those
so-
countries.
Well, good to see. And thank you for all watching the Coffee with Craig show this Thursday. And we will see you tomorrow, Friday morning. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show. And don't forget to share it with your friends.